want to improve your handwriting, then you guys are on right track. So be there with me till the end. Hey, hello and welcome you back guys to my channel, that is Study Matters, and here I'm back with a new video that is 5 basic tricks to improve your handwriting. So yes guys, one question from my side to you all is, what does a good handwriting means for you all? So do comment me for this question in comment box below. So answer for this question from my side is, a good handwriting is the handwriting which is actually readable to another person than yourself, and it is neat and clear, has proper space between two words, and that's all. That's a good handwriting for me. So do comment for your answer. Okay, so let's get started to our video, but before it, don't ever forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, so whenever I upload any new video you get a notification for it. So here we go with our first trick, that is to warm up your hands, specifically your palms and fingertips. This will actually relax your palm muscles and your fingertips and also increase your blood circulation within your hand and will improve your speed of writing. As you follow this warming up exercise, your wrist will become more flexible than before, which eventually will help you out to get those proper cuts and curves in your font and will improve your handwriting. So moving ahead with our next trick, that is book holding posture. Now many of you have this habit to write or to hold your book exactly horizontal or parallel to your body alignment, but you shouldn't do that. You should actually hold your book a bit tilted to your body posture. So now if you are a right-handed person, tilt your book towards your right as shown in video and ensure that it makes a diagonal angle with your body alignment. This will benefit your hand to get more space to move around. So now there won't be any barrier to stop movement of your hand and you can easily move your hand in any direction you want to and will improve your handwriting. Now again, if you are a left-handed person, then you can tilt your book towards your left and start writing. Now here is the overview of how actually you should tilt your book. So right-handed person tilt towards right and left-handed towards left. So our next trick is way to grip a pen. So almost all the pens available in market have this kind of grip on it to hold the pen properly. So you should hold the pen in that area specifically only. The way I hold a pen is between my 3 fingers and support this 3 finger by my ring finger. So you get a nice firm grip to a pen and you can easily write down for longer time and without generating any stress on your fingertips. So as I said before, hold your pen in that specifically grip area only. Don't hold it too closer to the tip of the pen or not at all far from the grip area. And also many of the people have habit to press and write or to apply more pressure while writing. This will create a print of your write-up at backside of your page and will also cause pain in your fingertips, which will just worsen your handwriting. You might have been following our next study tip since your childhood, that is practicing patterns. As we know that all the alphabets have been prepared up with joining or by just separating out this kind of patterns. So by practicing such kind of patterns, you kind of give a quick warm up to your hand and also will improve your curves, circles, your lines. So this will directly help you to improve your texture of handwriting. And by practicing these patterns daily, you will not only improve your handwriting but also will improve your speed of writing. Okay, but try to draw this pattern in single line book and practice it daily to improve your handwriting. So for it, just maintain a book that will record your daily patterns and will improve your handwriting. This trick matters a lot, that is selection of pen. These are all kind of pens like ballpoint, gel point, ink pens and stick pens too. So if you have like this cute little bookmarks over here and want to prepare them, then just go ahead and watch out my video of preparing DIY bookmarks. The link is below in description box. Let's move on for selecting our perfect pen. Before selecting, keep 3 points in your mind. That is, the pen whichever you are going to select should have slim body, less weight, and should not at all smudge. Now here the pen I'm showing you, it often smudge off or bleeds. So don't at all use such kind of pen which creates such kind of pattern of smudging and creates ink spot on your paper. This actually hampers your handwriting and gives a bad impression to a reader. One more suggestion guys, if you really want to improve your handwriting, then start with a gel point pen because gel pens are less likely to blot or smudge. So try to use the pens which are lighter in weight, do not blot, and just keep away those ink pens and these kind of stick pens. So if you have liked the video, don't ever forget to like, share and subscribe.